I have here a chain of 115,
and I give a little bit space at the back, and that's gonna be for the excess later on. Make a number of chain and fit it around your chest, and once you're done, insert your hook and make one single crochet per chain until the last chain. And then just place one single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. I am here in my last stitch. I'm gonna make one last single crochet, and this is your round 1. Round 3, round 2, round 3, I'm gonna make a chain of 1, turn, and in the back loop only, here in the very first stitch, this one, insert your hook in the very first stitch in the back loop only, place one single crochet, then one single crochet per stitches in the back loop only until the last stitch, and that is for your round 3. I have 13 rows of one single crochet per stitches in the back loop only, which I repeated round 3. Round 15, chain 1, turn, and this time I'm gonna decrease. So insert your hook in the very first stitch in the back loop, grab that yarn and pull. Insert your hook in the next stitch, grab that yarn and pull. Grab that yarn and pull through all 3 loops in your hook. That is our first decrease. And then one single crochet in the back loop only in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and then one single crochet per stitch until the second last stitch. Insert your hook in the second last stitch, yarn over and pull. Insert your hook in the last stitch, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through all. So I just decrease in the last stitch as well. So decrease in the first 2 stitches and then decrease the last one as well. So I'm just gonna repeat that one, making decrease. So it's gonna be like this, and I keep decreasing from here until I get to triangle here on the top. So it's gonna be like this. Go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. I have here 25 rows of decrease in the beginning and in the end, 25 rows of that, and now I'm gonna add more decrease. So chain 1, increase in the first 2 stitches just like in the previous round, and then one single crochet per stitches in the next 2 stitches, and then decrease again, 2 stitch into 1 stitch, and then one single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then decrease again, 2 stitch into 1 stitch, and then decrease one single crochet per stitches in the next 2 stitches, and then decrease, and then one single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and I'm gonna repeat that until the last stitch. I have one last stitch left, so I'm just gonna place one single crochet there, chain 1, turn for the next round, and I'm just gonna repeat what I did before, which is 2 stitch into 1 stitch, decrease. So I have 3 stitches left. I'm just gonna stop there. So chain 1, pull tight, and just cut the yarn once you're done. And this is how it'll look like. This is the tip and this is the bottom area. I'm just gonna grab this one and insert your hook here, and insert your hook in the slip knot. Make a slip knot to begin, like this. Chain 1, and then insert your hook in the same stitch, place one single crochet, and insert your hook in the same stitch, place one single crochet again. Then go in the next stitch, insert, place 2 single crochet. So basically 2 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch, all the way here. 2 single crochet per stitches, and this is how it look like. It's starting to form like this kind of form all the way here. And now in the next round, for that, chain 1, turn, and just place 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet per stitches until the last stitch. All the way here. This is gonna be my last stitch, my last single crochet. Then chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And this is how it look like. It's really beautiful. It's waffle on the bottom and a little bit crumpy on the top, which is really cute and beautiful. I really like how it turned out. So for the strap, I'm just gonna begin here. I'm just gonna start it here, along this line. So I'm gonna just take this one, and then you can adjust that also where it best fit for you for the strap for the back. So I'm just gonna choose this one here in this part. Make a slip knot and pull, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make as long as you want for the strap for your back, and go in the second chain from your hook. 1, 2, insert, yarn over and pull, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm just making 1 single crochet per chain until the last chain or the very first chain that I made. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. And once you're done, I'm just gonna go here on the very top in this next corner here. I'm just gonna insert my hook there, yarn over and pull through, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn and secure the remaining stitch as well. So I'm just gonna do that here in the other side, but first I'm gonna show you first for the handle of our top. So go on the very top. I'm gonna insert my hook here in this corner like that, and I'm gonna make a slip knot and pull, make a number of chain, depends how long you want the strap you wanna be for your neck. Once you have enough chain, go in the second chain from your hook, place 1 single crochet, and same like the other strap, make 1 single crochet per chain until the last chain. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Once you're done, go here in this next stitch, go here in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, go in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then just continue making a chain so we don't have to cut the yarn. So 1, 2, 3, I will just try to hide this one, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a number of chains similar to this one here, and then once you're done, make 1 single crochet per stitches, and then slip stitch after that in this one here. And I am finished making 1 single crochet per chain. Just insert your hook here, and then yarn over and pull through, chain 1, pull tight, and cut the yarn. And this is how it looked like. It's super easy and cute, and I really love how it turned out. You can actually make it longer, just add more rows, but for me this is just perfect. And yep, I really love how it turned out, and I think I'm gonna make another of this project. And let me know what color you like. I make video like this in the future. See you, bye.